In today's video, I'm going to give away a simple method you can use to make money online with CPA marketing. And this method can make you anywhere from $200 to $500 a day as long as you follow all the instructions I'm about to lay out in this video. And before we proceed, I'd like to announce the winner of the 50 gigabyte traffic from Node Maven Proxy. So if you see your email on the screen right now, then congratulations. You won 5 gigabytes of free traffic, all from Node Maven Proxy. And for those who don't know, Node Maven Proxy is a residential proxy provider, literally one of the best in this industry. And I have personally been using them for a very long time. And I can assure you, they have high quality proxies in their database, which you can then use to scale your affiliate marketing earnings easily. And I'm going to leave a link down below in the description if you want to check it out. And once you create an account on this platform, you will have access to proxies from anywhere in the world, which you can then use to make money with affiliate or CPA marketing. Okay, so as you can see right now, I'm currently in my account and I can come over here and select any country of my choice. So if I select United States here, you can also select any region, any city, or any internet service provider of your choice. And here I'm going to then generate 40 proxies to prove to you that you are going to be getting only high quality proxy from Node Maven. And we are going to be using this tool called Pixel Scan to check the quality of this proxy. So if I click on check proxies, so as you can see for yourself, the quality of this proxy is very high, as you can see right here. Okay, and as you can see, the success rate is 100%, which is very suitable for us to make money with CPA marketing. So moving on with the video, all you simply need to do is to head over to doctor.cash, and this is a CPA network which we are going to be using to make money in this video. All you simply need to do once you come over to the platform is to simply sign up to their network by clicking on the join us button. And if you do that, it's going to ask you for your basic information like your email, password, enter a username, and here you then want to select either Skype, Telegram, WhatsApp, or your phone number. All you simply need to do is to type it in here, and then you want to click on sign up. So once you do that, your account is going to be created, and once you create your account, your dashboard should look like this. And now once you're in your account, the next step is to then go over to the offers section, since we want to promote offers from this CPA network. So once you click on offers, as you can see here, it's going to show you offers from various countries, which you can then start promoting and start making money. And now what I like to do is to come over to the country section. As you can see here, they've divided this to tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 countries. So for me, I always like to go with tier 1 offers because they have a high payout. So I'm going to select tier 1, and if you do this, as you can see, it has selected 27 countries where we can pick offers from and start promoting and start earning money. All right, as you can see, they have offers from various categories. All you just need to do from here is to pick any offer of your choice. So for me, I'm going to select this Snap-on Smile offer as an example, which is available to people in Italy. As you can see, the geo right here. And the reason I like this CPA network is the fact that they give you product materials, which you can then use to promote this offer. So if I click on the product materials, as you can see here, they've provided us with various creatives, which we can then use to promote their offers, as you can see right here. So all we need to do is to download these images to our device, and we can start using these creatives provided by the advertiser of this offer. So if you come back to the offer page, as you can see, this offer is going to pay you $13 for everyone you get to order this product. Okay, and before you promote any offer on this network, I highly recommend to check out the rules of this offer so that you make sure you're following everything accordingly so that you don't get into trouble. Okay, and as you can see here, this offer allows us to promote the offer to all traffic sources, as you can see right here. And also you can see they've given us the age range we want to target as well. All right, so now that we know we can promote this offer to any traffic source of our choice, the next thing you want to then do is to then click on create campaign. So once you click on create campaign, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you then want to enter a name for this campaign. I'm going to name the campaign Snap on Smile. Okay, and now as you can see, they've provided you with 2 landing pages. You don't even need to create a landing page yourself, as they have provided you with the best landing pages you can use to promote this offer. Okay, so now you want to open these landing pages in a new tab to preview these landing pages. As you can see here, this is the first landing page, and here this is the second landing page, which you can then use to promote this product to people who are looking to whitening their teeth, as you can see right here. Okay, so now all you need to do is to select any of this landing page and use it to start promoting this product. So for me, I'm going to select this landing page, and all you need to do is to check the box of the landing page. So once you do that, it will automatically assign that landing page. So here you want to then select any of the domains provided to you by Dr. Cash, and here you then want to type in a subdomain like this. So this is all you literally need to do, and you want to scroll down here and click on create campaign. So as you can see here, it says success campaign created, and if you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and as you can see, this is the campaign we just created, and this is our affiliate link. Okay, so once we copy this link, and once we paste the link in a new tab like this, as you can see here, this is the landing page. And like I said, this product is for people who are looking to whitening their teeth, and I can assure you there are millions of people out there who are suffering from this problem, which can benefit from this product. Okay, so as you can see here, this page is in Italian, and that is because this offer is targeting only people in Italy. So now the next thing we want to do to target people in Italy, since we don't speak Italian, so all you simply need to do is to come over to Google and you want to type in translate English to Italian. So this is going to help us promote this offer correctly. So once we come over to this page, all we just simply need to do is to type in keyword related to that offer, something like whitening teeth, because we are targeting people who are looking to whitening their teeth in Italy. Okay, so if you do that, as you can see, this is the Italian version of this text. So all you then need to do from here is to copy the Italian version, and then you want to head over to YouTube. So once you come over to YouTube, don't worry, you are not going to be posting or uploading any video on YouTube. All we are simply going to be doing on YouTube is to look for content. Okay, so now you want to come over to the search section of YouTube and you want to paste in the Italian version of that text, because like I said, we are targeting people who speak this language, and most likely they reside in Italy. So if you do that, as you can see, you are going to see a lot of videos we can use to promote this offer. But keep in mind, you don't want to take any video without the permission of the creator of that video. And now to avoid copyright issues from creators, all you need to do is to come over to filter and you want to select Creative Commons. This means these creators have given you the permission to use their videos and you can use it to promote this offer. Okay, so we are going to take this video here as an example. So all you need to do from here is to simply click on share and you'll be able to copy the link to this video. So once you copy the link to this video, you want to then come over to this website, opus.pro, and this is an AI website which is going to convert long YouTube videos into short content for us, which we are then going to be using to promote this offer. This is going to give us various short videos which you can then post on X, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and even YouTube Shorts, and start getting targeted traffic. So the next thing you want to then do is to come over to the Node Maven website and you want to get access to IP address in Italy, which we are going to be using to create accounts in this social media platform so that we can get our content seen by the right traffic. Okay, and all you need to do is to simply scroll down here. As you can see, they have very affordable plans starting from 30 euros, which is going to give you 5 gigabytes of traffic. And keep in mind, your traffic does not expire. So all you need to do is to select any of the package. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. And if you come over to this section that says apply coupon, and if you type in XB here and you click on apply, as you can see, you are going to get extra 2 gigabytes of free traffic, which you can then use to promote this offer. So now once you do that, it's going to bring you to your dashboard. And this is where you want to come over to the country section. And here you want to then select Italy or whatever country that offer wants conversion from. Okay, so once you select Italy, all you just need to do from here is to click on one, and it's going to give you one proxy. Then you want to simply go over to any anti-detect browser of your choice, but for me, I personally use multi-login. Okay, so now all you need to do is to create an account on multi-login by clicking on the get started button. So once you create an account on multi-login, you'll be able to create a new browser profile, and here we are going to name this profile Snap on Smile. Okay, so once you do this, you want to then scroll down to where it says proxy and you want to click on custom. So this is where you then want to paste in that proxy from Node Maven. So once you paste in the proxy, all you just need to then do from here is to click on create profile. And now you want to then click on launch profile. So if you do that, as you can see here, it's going to show us our IP address. And as you can see here, is from Italy. So the next thing you want to then do is to create account on TikTok, on Facebook, Instagram, and on X, because this is where we are going to be promoting this offer. Okay, so you want to go back to the opus.pro website, which is going to give us short form content which you can use to promote this offer. So all you need to do from here is to simply download the short version of this content by clicking on the download HD button. And once you download the video, all you simply need to do is to upload it to your TikTok account. And since you are using a proxy from Italy, you are most likely going to get majority of your traffic from Italy. And once people start placing an order for this product, you're going to get paid $13. And keep in mind, if you just get 20 people a day placing an order for this product, which is the bare minimum, that is already $260 every single day promoting this product. So if you like this video, then I highly recommend to click on the video on your screen right now, as this is the next video you should watch to scale your affiliate earnings.